relations with Israel. Confrontational moments were not absent, even before the AKP rise into power. For instance, Prime Minister Bülent Ecevit accused Israel in 2002 of not recognizing the UN resolutions and committing genocide, blamed the United States for its passivity, risking calling it Islamic radicalism and an East-West confrontation, and also criticized the Palestinian elements Hamas for hindering an independent Palestinian state. The AKP came to power only a couple of months after Ecevit's criticism of Israel had sharpened. The AKP is a product of Turkey's Islamist nationalist outlook movement, which passionately sees Palestine as a critical file in Turkish foreign policy. Unsurprisingly, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict has been an active component of the AKP's Middle East policy on three grounds. First, Hamas won the most seats in the 2006 Palestinian legislative election that the Middle East Quartet considered free, fair, and secure, while the United States and the European Union made the recognition of Hamas' victory conditional upon it renouncing violence and terror, accepting Israel's right to exist, and disarming. Ankara saw the moment as an opportunity to position itself as a democracy promoter in the region. Second, it has been one of the central pillars of the AKP's foreign policy to push for Turkey to be a peacemaker in the periphery of the international system. The Turkish government's ties to Hamas helped Turkey claim a mediator role during the Gaza war between December 2008 and January 2009, in the vacuum left by the European Union's and the United States policies, albeit absent a concrete result. Its diplomatic relations with Israel concurrently took a downturn with the famous one-minute incident in 2009. And a year later, the Gaza flotilla attack that killed 9 Turkish pro-Palestine activists. After a decade of frosty relations, diplomatic ties were restored in 2022. Finally, safeguarding the rights of Palestine and Palestinians is, for the AKP, part of its quest to defend the interests of Muslims worldwide. The party elites and its core constituency believe that the liberation of Muslims from Western cultural and political domination started in Turkey thanks to Erdogan and can spread elsewhere. Erdogan has promoted this rhetoric. In 2020, after converting the Hagia Sophia into a mosque, he described it as the harbinger of the Al-Aqsa Mosque's liberation. The Palestine issue is one of the most